Students of Chowyama Higher Secondary School, Thoubal, protested against the failure to conduct normal classes after 11 lecturers in the school joined the ongoing pen-down strike being imposed by Lecturers Association of Manipur 2018 batch. Large number of students carried out a protest by standing on the roadsides of National Highway 102 near Thoubal Police Station and shouting various slogans. They demanded to conduct full classes in their school. Speaking on the sidelines, a student protester decried that the ongoing pen-down strike of the lecturers have severely affected the academic atmosphere in the school, continuing that the strike has been disrupting normal classes since the last 3 consecutive days. Students expressed apprehension about failing to cover their syllabus. While urging the government to settle the demands raised by the lecturers at the earliest, the student also warned of agitations if the academic atmosphere continues to disrupt for longer days. Meanwhile, Vice Principal of the school, W. Johnny, stated that the school authority is having a hard time in management for filling classes in place of the lecturers joining the pen-down strike. He also urged the government to resolve the lecturers' strike at the earliest.
Makan mating maru na stream kuning magda oja totally soalnya second drama tu sini difang tu sini maru mereka anda pen down strike tu sini maru mereka sudah angang sudah aduk kita di sabu pile principal amadi oja sing pun amat bukai ada kange maram masina state government na jadi di bagi matungin na aku yes pen down strike tu bili ba aku ini kalik saya betare aku ini teachers community ni makoi ju kami laga tung dahulu provision bilen sigi singa sigi ju kami laga anda apa ubirak kani hari biasa tahu ini.
Jadi orang sini bahasa hari biasa kerana aku yang mempunyai dana dari teman bagi sistem ama hari itu aku yang orang adu dana macam saya kerja thar dari aku yang berada di sana bersama tahu bagaimana mempunyai yang awal mayung hari baru ina aku kelas 11 tu macam saya kerja di kampus dan aku hari ama aku dah wafang amalai dari masalah Juni kita Februari Februari tahun baru berlalu sudah aku jadi sosial bersama tahu orang hari yang ada paket ama kau jadi adu dah dengan semua media sendiri na orang sini apa bersih bina view.
On the other hand, the ongoing pen-down strike by lecturers of higher secondary schools have also caused disruption in normal functioning of Kakching Higher Secondary School, as classes for English and Manipuri subjects were affected by the ongoing strike. Speaking in this regard, a student of class 12, Nomaithem Priyadashini, has expressed disappointment on the condition while also conveying concern on the possibility of non-completion of syllabus. She urged the relevant authorities and teachers to work out an amicable solution to end the pen-down strike so that normal classes can resume in the school. Meanwhile, Vice Principal of Kakching Higher Secondary School, Nomaithem Sunita, said the ongoing strike has hugely affected the academic atmosphere of the school, as 10 teachers of the school have joined the pen-down strike. She also urged the government to resolve the matter at the earliest.
Mamangi tang kun gama thoidagi mogi pen down strike ama tawki aduna maram oiduna ekhogi school gi oina di oja tarani masida yawrisi oja tara sida mainly amna maru oiribadi English ki department sidi okogi oja sikhaktana puba department oibana English ki perot sima adum horaba adagi ekhogi regular oja si Manipuri gi amakakta leibani adagi mogi sigi kangudagi oja ani khak amaga punma pubane ba aduna Manipuri simasu class full tawba ngamdre English sima pura hore aduna akogi school da mogi strike si hogi badagi suki matik period arrange tawbada khudong thiba thoklaba adagi angang chingchi sarang naraga class phajana tawba ngamdabagi problem mayam ama leibasina maram oiduna aduna sarkar gi maige dagi oja singchiga yanaraga athubu matamgi manungda akogi demand ji yasinaduna hanagi normal class to chathabina bagi damakta haijari
akhoi gi syllabus cover tawrakpa ngamlaroidra haiba sigi mi paiba masu akhoi isa da phaujari maramasina oiraga sarkarna oja singa yanaba ama pubiraktuna akhoi gi hanagi oiramba academic atmosphere do amukhana pubirau